Hello viewers, I'm really grateful to you, all of my friends. It's my privilege and great honor that you have appreciated me. I found comments, many of my friends have interest in the different things when I talk on the videos. Though my previous videos were in Sindhi language, then I thought of giving those videos for our friends who are living abroad. Abroad means I have already mentioned in the videos. Abroad means that because we have globally friends all over the world. We have a lot of friends who watch us, who are in contact with us, who appreciate us, who are working on climate change, who are working on biodiversity, who are working against the chemical fertilizers. So, I was thinking about the that people appreciate it, our friends appreciate it, and this is for all the world's means in favor of the people who live on earth, who want to save the mother earth. So today my coming here is only the major purpose of showing you this piece of just like pasture, greenery, trees, plantation, to let my friends know who live in many parts of the country that we people this time are suffering, really very much suffering out of the global warming. And due to global warming, climate change has emerged all over the world. And due to climate change, we have seen, have observed for the last 2 years, all over the world, from America to Indonesia, Malaysia, India, even China, Pakistan, that the people have been drowned by the different kind of the waves of the different floods, different kind of the droughts. So people are suffering this time, and we, the people who live in such countries who are underdeveloping countries, we have to contribute in it, contribution in the sense that we have to raise our voice and to be heard world level. The developed countries should pay attention to our this suffering, because Pakistan is not contributing in fossil fuel burning as much America, China, and other developed countries are contributing in fossil fuel burning. And Pakistan is the most affected countries in the world. This time we are suffering of the drought, floods, and you just have experienced it last time in Karachi, even in 2017. It was the heat wave that killed many people, and the people who were left in such a condition that they could not revivify themselves, restore themselves out of the heat wave. So coming here over here to is to share with you that we have to give attention and focus what we can do. This time we can do at the small level. We can do this, that we can plant trees wherever we live. We live in rural areas, we live in urban areas, and you know very well about the Clifton urban forest. This is the model has been introduced over there, and the Sindh government and our other friends, they are working on it, like Masood Lohar. He is also a sustainable professional person, and he is a sustainable development professional. So such like models, if we introduce in Sindh, in Pakistan, I hope that we can overcome to some extent heat waves. And the world is day by day becoming greedy. Multinational companies, they are producing such a kind of chemical fertilizers which are very harmful for the people's health, for the land health, for the animals, birds. That is also one that contributes in the heat of the earth. not only chemical fertilizers, but there are many other factors that cause the abundance of the use of the fossil fuels, diesel, oil, petrol. So many things are here. We can say about it that that is the major cause of the warming on Earth. So this was the means view I wanted to show you. This is our village we live. This is very close to the Hyderabad city, the largest second city of the province Sindh in Karachi. I wanted to show you that such a kind of videos or recordings are our talks if we produce and if we come in contact with the public, we can make them aware. They can become aware of these because this is means little steps, small steps we can take. We can take small steps in a kind that we can plant our trees, we can protect them because the trees are this time the major we can say that carbon sink means entities this time. There are maybe others, but this time they absorb carbon, they give us oxygen, fresh air. Now this time I'm in this just like a green pasture land, you must be hearing chirping of the birds. They soothe us. They are also the part of the nature. There are many animals, other insects, birds, human beings. We all rely upon one another. We are interdependent. So we have to save our earth, Mother Earth. We have to focus on the things what we can do. We have to save our environment. I hope that our friends, we are doing work on it, that how to do the waste management, salt waste management, liquid waste management. Our talks are in process with many of our local organizations so that we can raise awareness, so that we can go door to door, house to house, shop to shop, that what the litter they are throwing in the street, what they are the means trash or rubbish things they are throwing in the street, on the road, that causes also degradation to the environment. But this time we can save environment with our little efforts to raise awareness for just like preservation of our trees, preservation of wetlands, preservation of such things which contribute in saving our Mother Earth. So this was just a little video I wanted to share with you. So I hope next time we will come, and maybe this time I was also not prepared to talk on the nature and climate change, because I haven't received many messages from my friends that please talk on the nature and on the climate change. So that's why I made my mind. I came here in village. It is approximately 15 to 18 kilometers away from Hyderabad city. I happen to come to this rural area, but this rural area is really very much happily beautiful. You can find here serenity, you can find here peace, you cannot means be affected by the smoke or other things what we feel in the cities. So I hope we would inshallah meet again in another episode. So thank you so much. See you again.